Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is how to root and propagate snake plant or sansevieria in water. Rooting and propagating snake plant or sansevieria in water has got to one of the most fun propagation projects. It is very simple and quick to set up. The hardest part is waiting. Another common name for this plant is mother-in-law tongue. Depending upon where you come from, the common name can vary. The genus Sansevieria is the botanical name, so this is the accepted universal name. It is super simple to root Sansevieria in water. The process is as follows. Choose a healthy leaf but not too old. Cut the leaf off with sharp pair of scissors. Allow the leaf cutting to sit for couple days to let the cut scalp or callus over. Place in water and wait. There is important tip to remember. You must keep the leaf segment in same orientation as they were growing in the plant. Place the whole leaf or leaf segment in a glass with at least 1 inch of water. Be sure to change the water frequently. Place them by a window. Bright indirect light or even little bit of sun would be fine. Avoid placing the cutting in full sun though, and definitely avoid placing them in the dark. It takes about 2-3 months for roots to form and even longer for bulbs to form. If you find it informative and interesting, then please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and also add a comment.